Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the world of WhatsApp with ease. Today, we're going to cover a simple yet useful feature: how to delete a starred message on WhatsApp. Whether you're looking to declutter your chats or remove a message that's no longer relevant, this guide is for you. First things first, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, you'll see a familiar interface with all your chats listed. To access your starred messages, tap on the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with several options. From here, select Starred Messages. This will take you to a screen where all your bookmarked messages are displayed. Now, let's say you want to delete one of these starred messages. To do this, simply tap and hold on the message you wish to remove. This will highlight the message and give you a few options at the top of the screen. Look for the delete icon, which is usually represented by a trash can. Tap on this icon to initiate the deletion process. Once you've tapped the delete icon, you'll be prompted to confirm your action. You'll have two options: delete for me or delete for everyone. Choose the one that suits your needs. If you select delete for everyone, the message will be removed from the chat for all participants, provided they are using a version of WhatsApp that supports this feature. However, if you choose delete for me, the message will only be removed from your device. Deleting starred messages is a great way to keep your chats organized and free up space on your device. It's also a good practice to regularly review your starred messages to ensure they remain relevant. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your WhatsApp messages and keep your conversations clutter-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other popular apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.